friends, this question asked in GATE 2016 in 1 mark. Okay, so let's see what it is saying. These types of questions you get many times. Okay, so in TOC you need practice. Which of the following languages is generated by the given grammar? Okay, is generated by the given grammar. So grammar is this. So let's try to see this grammar is generating which language. So L equal to what? It is containing what? A minimum string epsilon in their language set. Okay, and what is the other string that its language set contains? So if you will take AS, okay, then you can replace this as by epsilon. So what you will get? A. So A is also in the language set. Similarly, when you will take BS and you will replace S with the help of epsilon, then V is also there. Okay, when you will get AS, and you are also taking in the place of S, AS, okay, and you are replacing this S with the help of epsilon, then what you are getting? AA. So A is also there. Similarly, BB is also there. Similarly, BB is also there. Okay, so when you are getting AS, we are generating this string from the grammar. Okay, so when we are getting AS, then you can replace this S with BS. Okay, with BS. So what is the other string is? AB. Similarly, when you are getting BS, then BA is also there. Okay, so like this string is present in the language set of the given grammar. So it is asking you which of the following language is generated by the given grammar. So simple. Okay, so let's check this is generating is what? Option A. Let's check option A. Option A is generating is what? A language set in which the minimum string is what? In which minimum string is also epsilon, yes, but n comma m greater than equal to 0. So if you are taking n equal to 1 and m equal to 0, then you are also getting A here. Similarly, you are getting B here. Okay, similarly you are getting what? AB. Okay, similarly you are getting AB, but you are not able to get AA, BB from this given language. So this is not generating the same language that is generating by the given grammar. So this is not correct. W belongs to AB asterisk. W has equal number of A's and B's. So similarly you can see that it is generating only like this string. Option B is generating like this string, means it contains the string like this, has equal number of A's and B's like this. AB comma AA BB, okay, comma triple A triple B, like this. Okay, like this. So AB is there, okay, but there is not AABB, okay, and BA. Okay, so this one is also not correct. Okay, take the option C. When you will take the union of these languages, then what you will get? You will get A and BN. You will get what? A and BN and greater than equal to 0. So what is the language set of this language? Okay, so what? When you will take 0, then epsilon. Okay, then what? AB, then what? AA, BB, then what? Triple A, triple B. Okay, triple A, triple B, and so on. So in this language set we don't have A or B string. Okay, so this one is also not true. Okay, so there is a B, A comma B clean closure. So it contains all these things that belongs to A comma B clean closure. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Okay, so you need to go like this question. As I told you, in TOC maximum question you can solve through the options. Okay, because they ask you what? They ask you the string is represented by this grammar or not. Okay, the language is regular or not. Okay, so like this type of questions. So answer is D. Answer is what? D. And how we will get? कैसे हमें मिलेगा D? Told you already. Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.